Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl King Millie Locks and I'm here helping you glow up in confidence, language and travel. So today I've got you covered with the must-know French phrases to survive and thrive in Paris. Whether you're a shy traveller, a solo adventurer or just want to avoid awkward moments, these are the essential French phrases that'll help you blend in like a local. So let's go! In France, manners matter a lot. So here are your polite phrase essentials. Bonjour, which means hello. Bonsoir, which means good evening. S'il vous plaît means please. Merci, which means thank you. Excusez-moi, which means excuse me. Je suis désolé, which means I'm sorry. Even if you just say these words with a smile, Parisians will treat you so much better. Trust me. So if you're trying to find your way or hop on the metro without looking lost, here's what to say. Où est, which means where is. Où est la station de métro? Where is the metro station? Je cherche, which means I'm searching for. À gauche, à droite, which means to the left and to the right. C'est loin, which means is it far. When you're ready to café hop or try escargot if you're feeling bold, here's what to say. Je voudrais, which means I would like. Je voudrais un café s'il vous plaît. L'addition s'il vous plaît. The bill please. C'est délicieux. It is delicious. Est-ce qu'il y a un menu en anglais? Which means, is there a menu in English? And if you're shopping for a cute Parisian outfit or souvenir, here's what to say. Combien ça coûte? Which means, how much is this? Je voudrais acheter ça. I would like to buy this. Je regarde, merci. Which means, I'm just looking, thank you. And hopefully you won't need these, but just in case, better safe than sorry. Je ne parle pas bien français. I don't speak French very well. Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Do you speak English? Appelez la police. Call the police. J'ai besoin d'aide. I need help. Où sont les toilettes? Where are the bathrooms? Which is always important. Et voilà! Now you've got a pocket full of French phrases to survive in Paris like a confident tourist. So if this helped you, give it a like, share it with your travel bestie, and subscribe for more glow up tips for shy girls who love to travel. And comment below which phrase you are most excited to use. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye! We wanna make you fall in